Carnival Cruise Line just dropped a major update to its loyalty program, and not everyone is thrilled. Welcome to Cruise Insider. We're bringing you the latest news about the new system called Carnival Rewards. While it promises shiny new benefits, many longtime cruisers are calling it a step too far. Is Carnival rewarding loyalty, or just chasing your wallet? Let's break it down. For years, Carnival's Very Important Fun Person, or VIFP, program rewarded loyalty the old-fashioned way, by counting the number of nights you spent at sea. The more you cruised, the higher your status. And if you reached diamond status, that was for life, a true badge of honor. It came with perks, gifts, and recognition. And more importantly, it felt personal. But starting in June 2026, that all changes. Carnival is introducing a new system called Carnival Rewards, a dual-track system that looks a lot more like a credit card program than a cruise club. You'll now earn two things. Carnival Rewards points, which can be redeemed for things like spa treatments, shore excursions, specialty dining, or even future cruises. And status qualifying stars, which determine your tier level, red, gold, platinum, or diamond. And here's the key difference. Status will no longer be based on how long you've cruised, but how much you spend. You'll earn stars on both cruise fares and onboard spending. Plus, Carnival is introducing a new Carnival Rewards MasterCard to let you earn even faster. And that's where the controversy starts. Because to maintain diamond status after your grandfather period ends in 2032, you'll need to earn 100,000 stars every 2 years. Since each dollar earns 3 stars, that means spending over $33,000 every 24 months, or around $16,000 a year. For most cruisers, that's a serious commitment. Let's put it in perspective. A 7-day cruise for 2 in a balcony cabin averages about $2,000 to $4,000. So to keep diamond status, you'd need to either cruise constantly, book luxury suites, or spend heavily on board every single year. And it's not just about the money. This change hits emotionally. Loyal cruisers who earned their way to diamond over years of sailing feel like Carnival is saying, "Thanks for your loyalty, now prove it again with your credit card." And Carnival is taking away the little things that mattered. Gold pins, luggage tags, small branded gifts. They didn't cost much, but they meant something. Now they're gone. Carnival says the reason is to make top-tier status more exclusive. But here's the problem. Carnival has shifted from emotional loyalty to transactional loyalty. From "thank you for years of sailing" to "what have you spent with us lately?" When someone earns something, like lifetime diamond status, losing it feels like a betrayal. Making that loyalty feel temporary is a risky move. And that brings us to the bigger picture. What happens next? Will other cruise lines follow Carnival's lead? Royal Caribbean and Norwegian Cruise Line are certainly watching. And this may be their opportunity. If they offer status matches to Carnival's elite members, they could attract some of Carnival's most valuable customers. This could be a golden moment for competitors to say, "We value your loyalty," even if Carnival no longer does. So now the question becomes, will this move backfire? Carnival has clearly chosen to prioritize exclusivity. But at what cost? The new Carnival Rewards program takes effect in June 2026, giving cruisers 2 years to decide where their loyalty really lies. For some, it might mean cruising more. For others, it could mean jumping ship, literally, to another cruise line that still honors the relationship they spent years building. Because in the end, loyalty isn't just about perks or points. It's about trust, emotion, and the feeling that a brand truly values you. What do you think? Is Carnival rewarding loyalty, or just putting a price tag on it? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again next time on Cruise Insider.